They shall lift up their voice, they shall sing for joy, they shall cry aloud and victory. They shall glorify the name of the Lord, as the blood bought the church, the redeemed.
Oh, pick up your harp, O Zion of the King. Let the earth ring forth with his praise. All the children rejoice from the islands unseen. It's the blood bought the church, the redeemed. And we are in that army of the Lord. We've been washed in the blood, and we are going forth. There is nothing that can stop this mighty moving force. With a shout of praise, a two-edged sword.
Every stronghold of bondage must set the captives free. Every prisoner held captive must be freed. For our deliverance has come through the power of the Son. It's the blood bought the church, the redeemed. The earth is silent, the wind ceased to blow. Every